I have a beautiful friend, and I got to see her new house that they had rehabbed. I was so thrilled to walk through it, and she was cracking me up. Everywhere she went, she'd go, "Well, this room is really, it's not done yet," because she had like a sock that was on the counter. And I was like, "What's not run?" And we go into the next room, and she'd say, this room is not done yet." And I was like, "What?" She goes, "Well, we have some things here." And I was like, "Oh my gosh, I have some things everywhere." So today, my self-care is about looking at the so many things, floor to not quite ceiling, and I'm going to go through my things. I'm going to take all of this in a basket, I don't care what it is, and I'm going to look at it and see if I need it. Laura Lynn Dyer, Treehouse Wise Woman. Bye for now.